Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to host an OpenTTD server. So to begin with, we're going to go ahead and press the multiplayer button from our homepage, and here you can see all of the current active servers that are publicly available. You can do the search internet function down here on the left to quickly refresh this. But if we want to host our server, the first thing that we need to do is give ourselves a name. So for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to call myself Demo, and then we come down here to the Start Server button. That's going to bring up the Start New Multiplayer Game. I've already got a game name there, which is Test Game, but you are able to enter whatever you want into that. And then we can set the visibility. So we have a choice between local, invite only, and public. Local being for local IP addresses. Invite is if you want to just send the invite out and allow people to join via that. And then public is for anybody to join. You do have the option to set a password as well if you wish. You can specify the maximum number of clients. That's how many people are able to join a game at any given time, and then how many companies. So if we've got 15 companies shown here, 25 people can join. It can be the case that multiple people can play a single company. We then have the option to either start a new game, load a game, play a hype map, or play a scenario if we have one of those available. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm just going to quickly press new game, and we have the standard single player options here, which is to choose the biomes, the terrain type, the rivers, etc. Nothing out of the ordinary here. This is just the standard metrics that you use on single player games, and then we go ahead and press generate. Now from here, the server is created. I will draw your attention quickly to the left here where you can see the online players tab. And here we can see our invite code, which is plus capital Q, C, capital G, 5, J, G, Q. This is what other players need to enter if they're using the invite code function from the homepage. So as we're not going to be playing with anybody on this server, I'm just going to abandon game quickly to show you that. But if you are looking for other people to join, they will open up the multiplayer tab as we have just done here, and then they would do add server. And then from here, you can see it says enter server address or invite code. They can go ahead and enter the invite code here and then press OK, or try and find you on the list here on the left. And that is how you host an OpenTTD server. I hope this tutorial has helped.